Here, it can be all darker. As I do it like this, with this parallel line like this, regular, and don't push them too much, right? You maintain still all the volume that you have found earlier on. Now we can maybe here darker here like this, right? Darker here like this. This is darker, etc., 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 right? This is way darker, right? See that? So, because of this, this exercise don't just improve your understanding of the tonal range, but also the manuality. The manuality, because you had to do these lines, right, regular and correct and straight and parallel, same pressure and whatnot, right? So you're going to increase hand-eye coordination, the understanding of how to develop tonal range, regularity of the marks, and your drawing can become more deliberate, controlled.
Right.
See, this is darker right here. See that here? This is darker because I don't have white, right? And so on. So we could push it, but again, I cannot get as dark as that because the tonal range of my pencil will not let me do that. But it's fine. It's fine. I mean, we can just keep it 3 values lighter and it's fine, right? Or I think I could do at this point.